if you're encountering the cloud save error 2026 in Elden Ring, follow these steps to resolve the issue and regain access to your save game data. Step 1. Check server status. Before making any changes, verify if the game's servers are online. You can check the official Elden Ring Twitter account or community forums for any announcements regarding server outages. Step 2. Restart your game. Close Elden Ring completely and restart it. This can help refresh the connection to the cloud servers and may resolve temporary issues causing the error. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're playing on PC, use your platform's client Steam, Epic Games to verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for any corrupted files and replace them, which can help fix the error. Step 4. Check cloud save settings. Ensure that cloud saves are enabled in your game settings. Go to the options menu and look for any settings related to cloud saves. Make sure they are turned on. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If the previous steps do not work, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Elden Ring. This can help clear any persistent issues with the game files or cloud save functionality. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the cloud save error 2026 and continue your adventure in Elden Ring. If problems persist, consider reaching out to the game's support team for further assistance.